This is Tony Baca, Senior Vice President of Safety at Bergling Construction Company, and this week's Safety Talk is on material handling. And take a look at what we've got going on here. We have a project where we're actually digging out soils 2 feet down on the foundation throughout the entire basement, and the basement lingers all the way back with side rooms off to the sides. We had brought a dingo down, an electric dingo originally, to backhoe out some of this soil onto this conveyor system, but it was burying itself in this Class C soil type, which is all sand and granular. So now we've got 4 laborers working the back area. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 conveyors. And as they're shoveling it by hand, the sand product, down 2 feet on this foundation, throwing it on the conveyors obviously bring it all the way across the basement and drop it out here in a pile where our labor foreman and bobcat come, and then they just sweep up the soils right here, which is eliminating a lot of back labor and physical labor, which is what OSHA's looking for. They want to see us try and automate systems and get away from the wheelbarrows, the Georgia buggies, and all that manual type lifting. Super interesting process here though. It's still somewhat physical as far as the labor forces having to shovel a lot of this soil, but we can pace ourselves working in tandem. And just what a wonderful, wonderful idea this was. And once again, you know, as of late, we've had some strains and sprains in our industry with oblong products and lifting, and our rule here is 70 pounds that are oblong. We're looking for assistance, and that's been part of our safety talks as of late. But this is unique in its own right. And then just the distance that we're moving this soil with ease compared to what it was like back in the day. So this week, let's talk a little bit about automating processes on our job sites, whether it's a crane, a bobcat, a lull, or even something of this nature, a conveyor, to make life a lot easier on our backs, our muscles, and eliminating sprains and strains. Let's have a safe day. Let's have a safe week. Thank you.